हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज सॉल्व कर रहे हैं ISI JRF 2023 इकोनॉमिक्स पेपर एंड दिस इज ग्रुप ए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1C। सवाल क्या है? फर्म produces an output of y using two inputs x1 and x2 as y equal to root over x1 x2 using the agreements obligate the firm to use at least 1 unit of x1 in the production process. The input prices of x1 and x2 are given as W1 and W2 respectively. Assume that the firm wishes to minimize the cost of production per y bar units of the output. Now set up the firm's cost minimization problem in feasible or compact and derive the input demand function. So these are the two cases. So 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5. So total 10 marks. तो चलिए फटाफट सेटअप कर लेते हैं। सो फार्म्स कॉस्ट मिनिमाइजेशन प्रॉब्लम होगा मिनिमाइजेशन ऑफ C W1 x1 W2 x2 सब्जेक्ट टू क्या होगा y इक्वल टू रूट ओवर x1 x2 where x1 greater than equal to 1. Okay, so y bar is desired level of output. So the feasible set is not closed since it doesn't include the boundary points, not the boundary points. Okay, so where x1 equal to 1 and x2 equal to 0 are the boundary points. However, it is compact. It's a compact since it is bounded below. By the constraint x1 greater than equal to 1 and bounded above by the production function y equal to root over x1 x2. Okay, so the first part is this the feasible set closed? Is it compact? Answer is done. Next, derive the input demand function for the minimization problem. Second part is this. So Lagrangian function लेना पड़ेगा W1 x1 W2 x2 plus lambda y minus over x1 x2. So with respect to the Lagrangian multiplier, del L del x1 निकालेंगे, del L del x2 which is W1 lambda x2 by root over x1 x2. Okay, and this is W2 lambda x1 divided by 2 root over x1 x2. So since getting partial derivative is equal to 0 and all you can do is the solution. Finally solving करने के बाद कुछ ऐसा आएगा x1 equal to y square w2 square divided by w1 square plus w2 square if w1 less than equal to w2 and x1 equal to max of 1 comma y square w2 square divided by w1 square w2 square w1 greater than w2. And similarly x2 is y square w1 square divided by w1 square w2 square. So therefore the optimal allocation of inputs is to use x1 units of input 1 and x2 units of input 2. So where x1 and x2 are the given inputs of the demand function. So ये हो गया solution. और भी कुछ सवाल, any kind of questions in your mind, please feel free to send it to me. And I'm starting a new batch, so you can join that.